Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually make more than 1.5 million shillings a month, or basically how you can be making more than $15,000 a month trading on Deriv. Alright, many people think it is impossible, but it is actually very possible. So let's say by chance you have found yourself with a $10,000 account. Okay, let me even reset this. Let's say by chance you have found yourself with a $10,000 account. Okay, now this is how you can actually be earning more than 1.5, in fact more than almost 2 million shillings a month. Okay, so the first thing, aim for a low risk market. Okay, so currently I'm trading volatility 10. I'm trading under, let me show you, under 7. All right, my stop loss is 2,000, my take profit is 2,000, my initial amount is 200, my win amount is 200. Remember what I told you guys, in terms of stake, use 2% of your capital. In terms of stop loss and take profit, use 20%. Okay, now let me show you how you can actually be earning $500 every single day. That is about 65,000 shillings every single day without fail. Okay, let me run it. And remember, for my analysis, in fact, I have not done such a complex analysis. I've just used the DB Traders analysis tool for this. Okay, yeah, that goes to show you how easy it will become for you. Okay, yeah, so let us see. So currently we are at $42. We are aiming for only 500. Basically, I want to show you can be earning 500 a day. All right, yeah, but the ceiling is actually 2,000, but we are aiming for 500 because that is what will help us in terms of trading. Okay, so let us see. So currently we are at 204. Okay, and we are moving strong. We are moving strong. Guys, look for capital. Capital will really make your work so much easier. No matter what losses you face, there is nothing that will phase your account. Nothing will phase your account. In fact, trading will be so much easier. Okay, as I've said, I've done minimum analysis. Minimum analysis. Okay, yeah, it seems the losses are increasing, but again, don't worry. Our target, our take stop loss has not been reached. Our take profit has not been reached. So in the safe zone. Okay, yeah, once you have a big capital, you will never worry about losses because you will know you'll recover them. Okay, yeah, you'll be able to recover them comfortably. All right, now imagine if you have good capital and a good strategy. The potential is limitless. Okay, yeah, as you can see now, this trade type is becoming really unfavorable. Yeah, the losses are increasing. But again, don't worry, our stop loss is very far away from being reached, and our take profit is also far away. But we are aiming for 500 because the main aim is to show you that it's actually possible. Every single day without fail. Only one more run and you have made your profits for the day and we leave. One more run and one more run. And that is it. Okay, that is it. Let me stop. So you can be doing this every day. You just wake up, look for a low risk market, analyze it, confirm it with the third-party analysis tool, come to Deriv.com, run, make your $500 and something, and leave. Now, so far you have made 575.3 USD. Okay, I don't know if I can be able to convert that. Let me search for, let's see how much you have made. Okay, the power of capital. Guys, with enough capital, you'll be making money until you feel like, where was I all this moment? So guys, look for capital. Okay, if you find yourself, let's see, 507, that is 74. Right now, you have made 7. So if this was our real account, you would have made 74,330 shillings. And I've not even traded for more than that, for more than 10 minutes. And remember, I've done minimum analysis. I've just come to DB Traders, I've just looked at what is happening, and then I've traded. Now imagine if you come and do this, analyze the market on the Deriv, come and confirm with the DB Traders, and then come trade. Guys, every single day you'll be earning. Now, let's say today I've earned 74,000 shillings, okay? 74,000. Let us do 74,000 times 30. That is 2.2 million. So you can be making millions every single month from this one big account, okay? So I told you guys, once you invest in a big account, it's not a must to use the entire account, okay? That account will serve as a, let me say, as a backup, okay? It will be like your bodyguard. It will protect you from all unfavorable conditions in the market. So let's say even today I could have experienced a loss of 500. If I come back tomorrow, I could have been able to recover it. So guys, look for capital. That is what will save you in trading. So if you can be able to find a very big amount as a capital, that will be good for you. Ensure you apply the proper risk management. Aim for a low risk market. Don't go trading matches or under one. You'll actually blow this account. Okay? If I decide to trade matches right now, I might end up blowing this $10,000 account. Okay, it might seem large, but if you handle it in the wrong manner, you will lose it. And that is why you hear people saying, I lost a $60,000 account, I lost a $50,000 account. It is because of reckless management of your account. Okay, even and right now I decide to start risking $500 at stake. This account will be gone in seconds. Okay, so you have to apply the proper risk management, and the main aim is to get profits every single day. Instead of me aiming for $4,000 today, why not aim for 500 every single day? By the end of the week, I would have made $3,500 comfortably. Okay, yeah. So if you have been wondering if you can be making a millions every single day from every single month from Deriv, yes, it is possible. You can actually earn more than 2 million every single month from Deriv if you have a big account. Okay, and this is what is actually helping a lot of traders, and that is why you are seeing a lot of those who trade, those traders who actually have big accounts are able to become successful really well. Okay, yeah, those are the ones who post cars and everything. They're actually legit. It is just that they have a big account, so they're able to make good money every single day. So imagine every single day you are getting 74,000 shillings. You can buy any car you want. You can buy any house you want. You can do whatever you want. Now, if this was on my account right now and I've made 74,000, right now I can decide to go to sleep. I can decide to go swimming. I can decide to go to the gym. I can decide to go visit. I can decide to do anything because I've made my money, and this is more than a month's salary for some people. This goes to show you the power that trading holds. Okay, so no matter the capital you have, never fear to invest it. Invest it and then apply the proper risk management, and you'll be able to grow it to whatever level that you wish. Okay, yeah. So if you have really good money, or if you have really good and you're looking for a place to invest in Deriv. You will not regret it, and apply the proper risk management as I've always talked in every single video. Okay, but basically that is how you can be making 1.5 million shillings and more a month on Deriv, and yes, it is very possible. For any questions or queries about this, please put it down in the comment section and I will answer you. Apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please ensure you subscribe if you haven't and like this video so that you are able to reach out to more traders. Apart from that, guys, thank you for watching once again and good luck.